Don't make the mistake that I made. Don't let your kids into the Infiniti QX80 unless you plan to own it. My kids got in the car when we took it for a test drive, and all of a sudden it was all, Mom, let's take a road trip this weekend. Let's go someplace really fun. Let's go here. Let's go there. They didn't want to get out of the car. They didn't even mind being in the car with me. Well, that's pretty much a miracle because they're teenagers. So if you have a chance to be with your kids, of course you should. And that's why a family likes the Infiniti QX80. It really adds to your happiness quotient. Everyone is happy in this car. I'm going to show you what we like.